Come on, let me see what you got.
Take it to the body, Dre. Take it to the body.
Body shots too, player. Mix it up now. Yeah, that's how you slip roll. Slip punch. Get out of there, Drake. Let that left hand lead go. Body shots open all day. I don't know why you guys head hunting so much. The head don't always get the victory. Hit him in the lifeline. There you go. Move that head constantly. You're on the ropes, player. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We may have an upset, ladies and gentlemen. We may have an upset. Hands up. He tired now, Dre. What do you do with guys like that? You're too square. Now how did he put you on the rope? Oh my goodness. We might have to call EMT. We might have to call EMT. Let's go. Let's work, son. Let's work. Come on, 30 seconds. Let's pound it out. Pound it out. Survival of the fittest. Let's go. Take a step back and fire, Terrell. There you go. Get room to punch. Oh, nice. Stay aggressive. Stay aggressive. Dre, you should have came with a combination on that. Right.